Valentine's Day is a special time to celebrate loving relationships, particularly with your significant other. If you forgot to order flowers, don't worry. There are simple ways to make someone feel loved. You can arrange for dinner at a favorite restaurant or cook a meal at home, adding candles and creating a romantic atmosphere. Plan a day out exploring new places together, or take your partner out for coffee, giving each other undivided attention. Going for a walk, surprising them with a weekend getaway, or going dancing can also be fun and romantic. Writing a heartfelt note, expressing specific things you love about them, volunteering for a cause they care about, expressing gratitude for their actions, and telling them face-to-face what you love about them are meaningful gestures. Ordering their favorite takeout, bringing a gift for their pet, making a personalized music mix, or pampering them with a couples massage or spa day are additional ways to show love.